Welcome back to TmezTv. We are at Merced Speedway. It's like night number 5 on our California swing. National USAC Midgets here. I think I drew like a 9 in the qualify, which is great. And as always, we got all the good cars here. You can see Keith's got a row of them. There's Keith just hanging out. Even got wing cars today. That'll help the track kind of blow off and get slick like we like it. Oh yeah. So I'm always asked, what is the Toyota motor after? Just like race shit? Is it got the NASCAR head on it? Is it?
It has the old NASCAR Truck Series head.
The Truck Series head on it. Wow. We have an old Truck Series trailer, I think.
We do.
We do.
Coincidence. Yes.
Oh yeah. Getting ready to go qualify. We drew pretty good. I think we drew like a 9. We go out like 4th or something. It's a normal USAC format, which is exciting. So hopefully we can get this RMS race in 7X qualified good, and you know, we'll be fine for the rest of the night. Making the invert is so important, and I don't always make the invert, but I race well, so that's good. I was having difficulties with my GoPro on top of the cage for qualifying, so last minute I loosened the mount and spun this camera around to catch something.
Cars T-Mez, Thomas Meserol fires it off down into turn number 1. The RMS Racing EnviroFab Response Management Services Engler Machine number 7X car picked up the win not too awful long ago. It's the other night. We'll go 4th quick, a 12.258, 12.258. 2 feature event wins actually on the season for the Nos Energy Drink National Midget Series. Lets it slip up to the top shelf. Boy, that thing is well tight. So bring it across, go 3rd quick, a 12.128, 12.128. 3rd quick, and it sounds like a lot of these midgets coming out, this is speculation on my part, are a little bit gear bound out here. A little bit more track maybe than they got gear for.
Just got done with qualifying. Not the effort we really wanted, but not terrible. We should start pretty good in the heat race, so sometimes, you know, track position helps in the heat race, but I think we were like 15th quick. So there's 45 cars, so we're not terrible, but we really need to be in the top 10. So Chuck just went to go look and see where we start in the heat. Hopefully we're not in the first heat, because if we are, I need to go. What heat? place, you know, California tracks are just so hammered down until they start blowing off, and the midgets are all so equal. It's tough, you know. So we managed to transfer. That was good. We weren't able to win it, which I really needed to win it to start better, but track is going away now, and the sprint cars run before us in the feature, so making a spring change, going to add some helper spring to left front. We got this 0 helper, and this thing doesn't do anything, you know, for the most part. It's just kind of there, so stick this in there, and that'll help transfer some weight. Looks like Chuck's changing a gear because we didn't have enough gear in the thing. All over the chip. Looks like they changed the track a little bit this year, and man, it's just holding more momentum, more speed. So take some stagger out of the thing, load up the fuel, got my cameras on there. This camera got hit by a rock and was like back here, so I don't know how that, probably looking down at the header. The shot right there. Oh, USAC has the lovely rule where you only have one tire you can run a night. We're changing offset wheels because it is slick out there. The wing cars went first. They just crashed the car with like 5 to go, so we have no time. It is a time crunch as always. It is go time down here at Merced Speedway. The track was laying rubber from the sprint cars, so they got the tractor out there working the track. So I am super tight, anticipating the slip. So hopefully this blows off. I'm sure it will. Hey, thanks for watching TmezTv as always. I'm out here in California living my best life. Thanks to RMS Racing and Dave and Lacey, Joe, Bill, Chuck, Clinton, everybody that helps on the team. You guys are awesome. Bottom is starting to go away, but I have somebody on the outside of me. You can't really tell. So I just bang it in there as hard as I can, trying to stick the right rear. It doesn't work. I go ahead and take out a little bit of left rear rebound to try to get the thing on the right rear and get up to the top as soon as I can. Ooh, yellow flag comes out. This gives me an opportunity to kind of adjust the car a little bit because the track is changing. I take some right front rebound out and then a little bit of left front rebound. I kick it around in my head. Do I want to? Yes. Add some left rear compression. up at the right time. Track's cleaning off. Quite a bit of momentum, and it cost me big. Turns out these next 4 cars behind me all changed their tire before the feature. My tire is fading fast.
Well, we didn't win, but we weren't terrible, and you know, the track started laying rubber, and I was going forward, then the track started laying rubber, and it just kind of got to be like one lane for everybody, you know, rip the lip. And you know, the guys in front of me were good, and I actually got so tight down the backstretch, the thing was like trying to swap ends on me. I'd come off, you know, full right, and then it was full tight left, you know, down the backstretch. So that wasn't helping me, I don't think. But you know, the car was really good. Felt like we did a good job. Just, you know, we started 20th. I think we got to maybe 10th. So hats off to my guys as always. I think Justin ran 3rd or 4th. So nice to you know, have one good car for the night, I should say. I'm always good. Don't listen to me. I'm a bad mucker. I didn't just say that.